Sorry guys, this phone's stupid. I was showing you guys some stuff, hit the pause button, which this phone has but the other doesn't, and now all the progress we made until here is gone. So yeah, kind of mad about that, but, there really wasn't that much of importance, so yeah. But anyways, basically what I'd said on there is, I was gonna show you the fan and glue that was in my backpack. That was the last two things. And then we were gonna start moving because, yeah, and the, oh, yuck. Well, you see all this? Let's start here. I would have gone to that there, but people were on it. This is all a lake. Stupid mosquito. Come back, I dare you. Okay, anyways, but as you can see, the idiots here turned off the pumps. And I'm being stupid. There. I've got a bad habit of dropping my phone. Oh, dragonfly. Anyways, yeah. I'm going to be taking and hurrying along to each of the sites that I want to take and show y'all. Yeah. Oh, almost tripped again. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be hurrying along to do that because the pause button obviously doesn't work properly. And I don't know how much storage this here has. But you can see a spider has made its nest in that there. But you can see a woodpecker, or a couple of them, have made holes in this here. And I'm not sure what's in there. Just giving you an overview. Okay. On to the next site as quickly as possible. Which, with me, who knows? Oh, that tree's got a bit of white on it. Wonder what is there. Oh, a light-skinned tree, so to speak. Haven't seen one that bright for quite a while. Okay, scurrying along. We're coming up on the Penta Trail. So this here is Trail 1, technically. At least that's how I go by it. Whatever trail I'm on is number one. And aren't these kind of cute? Little mushrooms. But they are basically like a little ball. Okay, moving on. Can't spend too much time on that. Pentatrail is where 5 trails end up meeting. 2 of the trails, and I can never remember which ones, end up going to the same place. Let us see. So we're on trail 1. Then there's trail, well, I came from that way, which the video of that got bled, gone. And then there's trail 2 right here, going that way. Then trail 3, wait, nope, because that was 1. Then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, yeah. 4 and 5 they both go to the same place. This one gets you there faster. That one takes you a different way. And obviously, people have not been sitting on that bench as often. And you're gonna see why. That's, well, most likely what the reason is in just a few moments. Just as soon as we get down this trail. And I'm hoping there are no humans this time. Oh, looks like we're gonna get 2. What is that clicking? Oh, there's humans. So I'm gonna mute up, so to speak. All I do is put my finger over the microphone. Y'all can probably hear. And I'm sorry to anyone who gets in this here video and I didn't ask their permission, but there's honestly no way that, because I'm not a human person, I'm most likely not going to approach you, a stranger, and ask for your permission to be in this recording when you're only going to be in like a brief few moments. So yeah, I'm going to try not to put the video on you, and now I'm going quiet. Get too close. Hi. Hi. Okay, we're past the humans. So the bench probably isn't used because there's this here with quite a few benches. There's 4 here. There is, it says up here, used by reservation only. Really, no one even bothers to listen to that. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 picnic benches in here. What's that? And I know my dad had me do it. Like, oh, you can see that some birds and that. They make nests up in here. You can see it's a dirt / sand floor. Oh, and this is either a beehive or a bat box. I think because it's smooth on the outside, like down here, that it's probably a bee box. Because they also like to make nests up in here. But like when I was younger, my dad would take, and if I had to go potty, he'd make me go potty just around back in that area. It's grown in more, but you're supposed to be able to open those doors, and that'd be like a porta john. But yeah. You can kind of see how the trees here are basically covered in like silk from the caterpillars and that, which I would have stayed on longer, but there were humans there, and with this COVID garbage, yeah. And if this video gets taken down for me saying the name of it,